Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Laravel Hotel Management System project tutorial for beginner. So in the previous tutorial, we create a gallery table and in that table we upload some images from here, and we also display the image and also let the admin to delete the image. So in this tutorial, we are going to do something really simple, and that is we are just going to show those images in our home view. So let me just log out from here, and here you can see currently I am in the home view. Here you can see login and register option. So right now if we just go down, here you can see we have the gallery section over here. So what we can do is that we will remove all those images from here because those are static images. Those are not coming from the database table. So we'll remove all those images and we'll just keep only on images over here. So in order to do that, first of all, we need to go to where this home view is coming from. So let's go back to our code and we'll go to resource, views, and inside views, we have the home folder, and inside home folder, we have index.blend.php, and here you can see html.home.css, header, slider, about, room, and here you can see the gallery section. So index.blade.php is basically our home view. So first of all, we'll go to our home.gallery section. So here you can see inside the home folder, we have gallery.blade.php. So here you can see the gallery text, and here you can see a div class row, and inside this div class row we have all the static images. So we'll just only keep the first image over here. You can see div class call md3, call sm6. So we'll only keep this div and we'll remove all the other div from here. So let me just remove all the other div, and right now if we just save it, then if we now refresh here, then let me go down, and here you can see we have only our images. So now we'll show the image from our database table. So let's go back to our code, and the index.blend.php view is coming from our, okay, let me just show you. If you go to this route, then web.php, and here you can see route get admin controller home. So if you go to the admin controller home function, let me just go to app, http, controllers, and admin controller. So here you can see public function home, and from here we are returning the view home.index. So what we can do is that we'll just declare a variable, let's say $gallery equal to, okay, before that we also need to mention the gallery model at the top, and which we already did. So right now we just say one here, gallery double clone all. So we'll get all the gallery data and we'll send this gallery data to this view. So for it, after room, we'll give a comma to single quotation, and we're going to say here gallery. So let's save it. So right now let's go to home.index, and if we go to our home.index, here you can see home.index is included home.gallery, which is this one. So here what we are going to do is that after this div class row, we need to mention a for each loop. We say here for each, then we need to say here $gallery as, let's say $gallery, and we also need to end this for each loop over here. So we say here at the end of end for each, like this. Okay. So here you can see image source. So this is a static image. So we'll remove this, and here we need to mention the folder name where we are storing the gallery images. So if I now just go to the public folder, we are storing all the images in this gallery folder. So we need to say here gallery slash to second bracket, and we need to say here this $gallery, this arrow sign image. So if we now save it, then refresh here, there you can see all the images over here, and everything is coming from the database table. So we are able to show the gallery images over here properly. So this is all for this tutorial. This was a simple tutorial. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.